Hey guys, if you want to learn this smoky brown eye look, then keep on watching. So I'm starting off with this LA Girl Pro Conceal and I'm applying it all over my eyelids, and with a flat brush I am blending it all out. This hides darkness and redness under your skin. Then with the setting powder I am setting all my concealer so that my eyeshadow blends better. Then today I'm grabbing this Morphe eyeshadow palette and I'm using this dark brown shade and focusing mostly on the lids. I am not going near the eyebrow, and make sure that you build the color slowly. I'm applying little amount of the color and slowly building the coverage. I'm just focusing on the lids only. Then with this light brown shade, I'm blending this color on the crease for that seamless look, and I'm going from the inner corner to the outer corner, and I'm using a light-handed motion. Make sure that you use a circular motion. Then to intensify my look, I'm using this copper glitter shade, and with my finger I'm applying it. I'm not focusing on a particular part but applying it on the whole lid. Then again with a blending brush I'm blending it, and with that same dark brown shade I am smoking out my lower lashes, and I'm using a flat brush for this. Then for that seamless look I'm blending with a small fluffy brush. I'm grabbing this shade and applying it above the lash line. I'm applying small amount of the color and gradually building it, and I'm making a thin line. I'm using a flat brush for this and also blending it out on the lower lash line as well. Then to finish up this look, I'm using this Smashbox Superfan mascara and applying it on my upper and lower lashes. I'm applying up to 2 or 3 times. You can stop here or also apply some false lashes. This is how the final look turned out to be. If you guys liked my video, please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next one.